Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish, and I have your trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters, trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, it's first Saturday of the month, so we are putting in another installment of Single Ladies Saturday. Now, I already have my face done and my eyes done using the Morphe 18 Count Matte Essentials. These are the shades. I used these shades here and this shade. It's not really important, just that I would let you know. Today, I'm going to be using Silver Duster from Lele Posh Cosmetics, along with the shade Debutawn, which you can tell I've loved and used and abused. And then from Makeup Geek, we have Kaleidoscope. And in order to put those on, I'm going to be using the Lick Life from Death and Candy Cosmetics. Oh, Death and Candy Custom Creations. That's a gel base. Not much is needed. Alright, I'm going to take and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. Alright, and then I'm going to take this silver dollar. I'm going to put it right out here. And then I'm going to take this Makeup Geek, put a little bit into the lid here. I'm going to put that in the middle of my lid here. I did not realize that it was going to be this lavender. But I like it. Let's see if I can reinforce this silver a bit more. Alright, I'm going to take some of this Debutawn and put it right on the inner third of my lid.
Oh, so much has happened, and you know I miss your face. I know it can't go.
Alright, now I'm going to take and do the same to the other side.
Forgive me for persistence and lack of letting go. It's like expecting once when you know it's gonna snow.
Put this silver dusting. I think I like my finger just a little bit better for that application of that. Alright, and then we will take some more of this.
Couldn't do what I had to do. I don't know how to love, how to grow.
I like this shade from Makeup Geek.
Once I know I'm not alone, I'll destroy the walls and build my home.
And then some more of this Debutawn. Let me see if I can get that to punch up a little bit more.
Tell me what you want, but you know that you love me.
Take a little more of this.
You've been caught treating me so poorly.
Kind of blend it into the
Everything we've done,
outer V here.
all that we've been through. Days spent in the sun, thinking of our next.
Alright, we are also going to take this cloud rug from CxC Cosmetics. And I am going to take a little bit of this and put it in the inner corner.
Care too much about you.
And that is lavender leaning.
I don't know how to love, how to grow, who I am, what I've known. Once I know I'm not alone, I'll destroy the walls and build my home.
Alright, so that is the Silver Duster. that I used on my outer corner. That is the Kaleidoscope shade from Makeup Geek. That is the Debutawn shade from Lele Posh. And the Cloud Rug shade from Copacetic. I use that on my inner corner. I am really enjoying being able to use all of my single shades. I normally don't have a problem using my singles that are pressed, but my loose pigments, I never know what to do with those, and so I find myself not using them. But now, since Sue and I came up with this collab, I have been finding myself drawn to the loose pigments. And to me, that's exciting because, I mean, I paid for them. I might as well use them. And I might as well be creative with them. And that was the whole point of buying them in the first place, was to use them and be creative with them and create. So I want to specifically thank Sue for coming up with this with me and running this with me. Without her, I would not have actually started a collab to do this. And so I am glad to have her as a co-host and be her co-host with this collab. So thank you to Sue again. And thank you to anybody and everybody who has joined and will join in the future, because, I mean, a collab needs people. So, again, this is not a you have to post every time collab. It is very stress-free. If you have a video to post, post it. Send me the link to the video and I will add it to the playlist. If you do not have a video to post, no problem. I don't need a reason why you're not going to do it or why you didn't get it done, because it's not a problem. If you would like to join, you're more than welcome to. Go ahead and get in contact with Sue or myself or any of the other participants on Instagram and let us know, and we can add you to the chat room. And you can participate once or every time or every once in a while when you feel the need to participate. And again, the single ladies in this collab are not the ladies participating. The ladies are the singles. These are the ladies. So, yeah. Anyways, like I said, go check out all of the other beautiful participants. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye. How to love, how to grow, who I am, troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.